And then we go wild, and then we jump to this lady. Like, how do we get from Herzog to this? And the reason is everybody knows her. She is, according to many stats, #1 in the world in everything she does. She's clearly extremely successful. But why is she so successful? What does she do that is different than everybody else? So I found out that after every single show, the concert is recorded. She goes to the hotel, takes a shower, eats something, and then she watches the video for the show that she just did and take notes on herself, on wardrobe, on the lighting, the microphone, the camera, the stage, whatever. All these notes. Everybody gets those notes first thing in the morning, and those changes are implemented on that day's show, the next show, all the changes. That's why her shows are so perfect. It's very much like Ira Glass. They go from 12 ideas to 6 ideas to 1 or 2 ideas that are broadcasted. It's not that they are so much better than us, it's that they work much harder than us. Sometimes she rehearses sometimes hours before a show, which I don't even believe, I don't know how they do that. For a while, the photographs for her shows, the marketing of her shows were not meeting her own extremely high standards of quality. So she banned all professional photographers from her shows, and she has 1 or 2 professional photographers taking all the pictures for the show, and no picture goes out without her own personal approval. That's it. That's crazy, but that's her standard. That's why she is who she is. And lastly, her father was the manager. She didn't think he was doing a good job, so she fired the father, and she is her own manager.